Bless up my peeps. Alright, so today we're gonna chef up some food, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we have some flour mixed with cornmeal. You see me? So we'll go ahead and mix up this into a dough. Alright? Yeah man, so come along. There, so I'm gonna mix it out, as you can see. You know what I mean? Cornmeal added, a little salt added. That weren't shown in the video. Yeah man. So there I'm going to mix it out to perfection. You see me? Yeah man. That is it. This is how we do it in Jamaica, you see me? Jamaican style. In some other countries are here in Jamaica as well. You have persons who use spoon to make their dough. You see me? But these are the old traditional style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so as you can see here, it's almost there. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I get it done here so. Alright, so that's the dough. Finish up, ready to. That's a saltfish, or what you would call codfish. Here in Jamaica we call it saltfish, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Alright, so yeah, so we'll make some dumpling rolls, you know what I mean? That's how we do in Jamaica. Yes, man. So we'll cook some dumpling, yam, banana, and Irish potato with some saltfish, you know what I mean? Cook up in some seasoning, some ground seasoning. Alright. Yeah, so I'm going to mix out knead out some flour, you know what I mean? Yeah, the real Jamaican style of making dumpling. Perfect. That's how they look in the pot. Just the flour there, no food added yet, no yam, no banana, no nothing yet. Just the flour. So here I'm peeling the Irish potatoes. Yeah, slicing also. So after I peel, I slice them in half. Yeah, makes it cook even faster than you would cook them whole. You know what I mean? Yeah man. That kind of decrease the time that it would cook when you slice it. Here I'm peeling another one. Here's my peeps, and this is how we cook in Jamaica, you know what I mean? I can't speak for anywhere else, but this is definitely how we prepare our food in Jamaica. Yes, alright, so this is my yellow yam. I'm here peeling. Lovely piece of yellow yam, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So we're gonna cut it in slices now. Yeah. Perfect. So that's all I'm cooking for today. So right now we're go peel up some banana, you know what I mean? Yeah man. And stains from the banana skin tend to leave on your hand after peeling. My advice to you is to throw a little oil in your hand and kind of rub up your hand, like, yeah, so it prevents the stain from leaving on your hand. Try that and tell me what the outcome. Alright, so yeah, so we basically done peel off a banana, you know what I mean? I go get in with food them in the pot, you know. I get in with food them one in the pot. So we put in with food when, you know, the flour partially cook. Yeah, man. So we there, so I prepare with saltfish, aka raw codfish. I get it deboned and get the scales off and crushed in fine style. You know what I mean? Jamaican style, you know what I mean? Yes, I. Yes, I, my peeps. Don't forget to like, share, and if you're not yet a subscriber, I'm asking you, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, alright? Yeah, I'm on journey to 1,000 subscriber. I'm on my journey. Alright, so as you can see, we finish deboning the saltfish. Right now we are going get the seasoning them cut up. Yes, I. They are cut up with tomatoes. The tomato. Yeah, man. As you can see, we have pepper, thyme, onion, scallion, tomato. Add a little garlic in it as well. Yes, peeps. There I get down the seasoning part of the video, you know what I mean? Yes, man, that is it. There I go and mince up some seasoning, as you can see. I do have a cutting board, but I choose not to use it in this video. You see me? And we Jamaican, we like our food well seasoned and spicy. You understand? Cooking without any of these seasoning, trust me, it's like the meal incomplete. Yep. Trust me on that. Alright, so here, this all seasons already chopped up. We're putting them in the pot to stir fry a minute. You know what I mean? And that's how it looks when everything combined. Yeah? That's a beautiful look there. Everything tend to, you know, I show them own colors. You see me? Yeah, man. There, so I involve with saltfish, aka with codfish in the mix. You know what I mean? Yes, man. That is it. And just while looking at this, trust me, I know for sure you guys may say, whoa, that's a mouth watering.